Today, I'm going to share with you 10 healthy habits to improve your life. These are simple but life-changing, and these habits have helped me to become more peaceful, happy, and energetic. I also feel like they've helped me to be the best mom I can be, because you know what they say, you can't give from a dry well. So if you're in need of a reset, you could try making even just a few small changes from the ideas I'm going to share with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome, I'm Christine, and on this channel I share with you cooking videos as well as healthy living tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to find out about new videos. Now let's get into our 10 healthy habits to improve your life. Number 1, embrace slow living. Slow living is a way of approaching life in a more mindful and calm way. It's easy to get overwhelmed with a busy schedule, rushing to work, driving the kids to soccer practice, and getting dinner on the table. Before you know it, you feel like you're always running around without enough time in a day. While some aspects of your schedule can't be changed, what you can change is the way you go about your day. If you find yourself stressed, see if you can slow down and do the same activities in a more mindful way. Whenever possible, enjoy little moments such as looking at a beautiful flower, cooking a nice meal, or reading a good book. Focus on what's important to you and put the most time and energy into those things while reducing the amount of time spent on other things that take you away from doing what you truly love. Number 2, drink warm water in the morning. This is such a simple thing to do, and it helps to rev up your metabolism and maintain a healthy weight. Think of your digestive system like a little fire that you want to keep warm. So rather than drinking cold drinks, especially first thing in the morning, if you drink liquids that are warm or at least room temperature, it'll help your body to have to work less and have more energy. Tip number 3, declutter your home one small area at a time. I recently made a video on how to declutter your kitchen, and you can do this in all areas of your home. Now, if the idea of decluttering your entire home seems daunting, just begin with one drawer or one shelf. Consistent small steps toward your goal are still moving in the right direction. And it may even be more effective since taking little baby steps toward a goal helps you to feel more relaxed and enjoy the process. Tip number 4, laugh every day. Whatever it takes to have a good belly laugh, whether it's watching comedy or funny movies or talking to someone who makes you laugh, making sure that you're laughing on a daily basis helps you to feel happier, breathe in more oxygen-rich air, and even stimulates organs like your heart and lungs in a positive way. Tip number 5, it's probably no surprise that I'm a fan of meal prep. Meal prepping 1 or 2 days a week, or even just a little each day, helps you to save money because you're not spending as much on takeout and restaurants, and you're also eating healthier when you make homemade food with good quality ingredients. Meal prep like cooking up a big batch of vegetables, making a pot of soup, preparing a couple different proteins to have on hand, and cutting up some fruit will come in so handy on days when you're short on time. Tip number 6, keep at least one plant in your home. Houseplants help to improve your indoor air quality, which is important since we spend a lot of time indoors. Studies have also shown that having plants in your home actually supports cognitive health, as well as your sense of well-being. And caring for plants reduces stress. Tip number 7, tell the special people in your life how much you love and appreciate them. This might sound obvious, but it can be easy to take our loved ones for granted. You never know how much you can make someone's day by expressing your love and appreciation for them and telling them how much they mean to you. Give it a try, and before you know it, this will become an effortless and enjoyable regular habit. Tip number 8, ditch the nonstick cookware. Nonstick coatings like Teflon off-gas harmful chemicals into the air. Indoor air quality can quickly become polluted to breathe in if regularly using nonstick cookware in your home. Good old-fashioned cast iron cookware has a natural nonstick surface if you keep them well seasoned. So this is what I always recommend to use in place of nonstick cookware. Tip number 9, use edible products on your skin. Our skin is the largest eliminatory organ, which means that when we sweat, we're releasing toxins. So we really want to keep our pores open and not clog them with products that contain harsh chemicals or waxes. I try to mostly use products on my skin that I could basically eat because our skin is really doing that, absorbing whatever we put on top of it. You'll be surprised how effective things like coconut oil, olive oil, green tea powder, and rose water can be in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. And you can save money rather than buying expensive skincare products. Our last tip, tip number 10, don't overschedule yourself. Especially if you're a parent, you can find yourself in your car a lot, driving kids to their activities, going to doctor appointments, parent meetings, and all the rest. But whether you're a parent or not, it's worth experimenting with slowing down to see if it makes a positive difference in your life. For me, I found that less really does equal more. If you find yourself stressed from an overly busy lifestyle, then it might be time to slow down and learn to say no more. Don't be afraid to leave empty blocks of time in your schedule. This will free up time to experience those magical moments like having quality time with your loved ones, taking a soothing stretch break, or spending a little time meditating or in prayer. So there you have it, 10 healthy habits to improve your life. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite healthy habit? Maybe it's one that I shared today, or you might have your own healthy habit that I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.